Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer garlic bread. Let's begin. We have here one French baguette, and I bought this from Aldi. And now let's open it up. We're going to cut out 2 pieces. 2. There we go. And we'll save the rest for another day. We're going to cut it in half. There you go. Looking good. We're going to season it with some garlic powder. There we go. We have here some salted butter, and we're going to cut several slices for the garlic bread. There you go, that's one slice. There we go. This is what it looks like before you put it in. And now let's open up the air fryer. Already lined the basket with some aluminum foil to make it easier to clean. Let's put it in. Here you go. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 390 degrees for a total time of 6 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 6 minutes at 390 degrees. Let's add the cheese. We have here some shredded mozzarella cheese, and we're going to add it on top. You can be generous with the mozzarella cheese. Next, we're going to add some mild shredded cheddar cheese. There you go. And next, we're going to add just a little bit more of mozzarella cheese on top. Looking good. And now let's put it back in to melt the cheese. We're going to leave it at 350 degrees for a total time of 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, we melted the cheese for additional time of 4 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. We're going to take it out. Looks nice. Next, we're going to sprinkle some parsley on top. Looking good. For the dipping sauce, we have here some marinara sauce, and we're going to pour some out. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer garlic bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.